We should be good. If you're seeing a gray screen, just swipe up to the next live and then come right back. But should be good to go. Screen recording started. Everybody's teams, check marks. Everybody's paid up. Appreciate it. Good luck to everybody. Replay will be posted on YouTube. So if you need to check that out. Let's go with the right one first. This pack's been rattling around in here, huh? Yes, sir. Good luck. I like that off the rip, though. A little Buckeye to start off. A little Scary Terry. Ooh. We got the Vitreous. That's a case hit. Scary Terry is 24 out of 49. Going to them Commanders. All right, Falcones. Who had the Falcones? Gino. 2 case hits. 2 case hit kind of night. Gino with 2 cases. It's a 2 case hit kind of night. Michael Penix on a case hit. Very nice. All right, next up for the Birds. 80 out of 299. Will Shipley on the RPA. For the Birds. Got to be Junior, right? Yep, Junior. Who got the Broncos was J-Dax. J-Dax. Next up for the Cowboys, Luke Schoonmaker on the auto. That's sick. The Cosmic Storm auto. It's a cool card for the Cowboys. Not numbered. I'll try to put some of these up there in a minute. Joey B. Oh, man, I thought this was an auto. Patch. Joey B on the patch. The trifecta for them Bengals. It was Bengals. Schmitty. And we got a Supernova. Another Scary Terry. 4 out of 99. Scary Terry Supernova. Pretty cool looking card there. No way. No, dude, that was a Commander's box. And we got Austin Eckler on the Atomic Initials. Commander box, man. Pretty cool. Let me put some of these up for display, but we just gonna rip them. We just gonna rip them. Come on, give us a color blast next. We'll take that Vitreous though. It's kind of a thick one here. Dang thick, boy. Because they're all patches. Look at that. All right, first up, we got Brett Favre. Out of 75, 40 out of 75 for the Packers. We go Lil White. Where's all this stuff coming from? Oh, these packs. Birds again, Johnny on the spot. 112 out of 299 in the RPA. Two birds. Next up for the Rams, 17 out of 99, Blake Corum on the RPA. Michigan boy. To the Rammies. Cash. Next up, J Love on the patch. That is not numbered. J Love on the patch, not numbered. But Packers will take that. A couple hits there for you in this one. And Lions, 12 out of 75. We got Tyrion Arnold on the rookie eruption. Man, these packs have been really one-sided for teams. And really one-sided. Yeah, Commanders don't dominating that last box. Now Packers doing good. Christian Watson, 39 out of 75. Magmatic patch. Pretty cool. It is a clean look. Flash, quit scratching, dude. Hey, quit. Stop. Rome Odunze on the Atomic Initials. First on print out of 75 for the Bears. J-Dax, you got the Bears, right? Go into with Bears. Oh, Gino. Who is it that you got, J-Dax? Oh, Broncos. My bad. All right, last box here. Thought that was a color blast there, but it is not. We got Jared Goff, not numbered, base. Lamb Jack on the Contra. Yep, short prints. Pretty hot for the Ravens. Next up, this is 4 out of 25, Braylon Allen. Oh, nice patch there on the Braylon Allen. RPA. On three color in both. Steelers up next, 13, another out of 25, 13 out of 25 on the auto. That's sweet. That is dope. Steelers, Chef, Jalen Warren. That's clean looking. Clean, that is. Just cutting edge, micro Penix on the cutting edge patch. Two more left. James Cook. Trifecta. And last but not least, Niners, Christian McCaffrey, or Charles Holly, and Nick Bosa on the Eclipsing Legends. Run out of sleeves here. So that is it for Obsidian.